우리 제일 뒤에 탈까? 타자. 기다려봐. 타세요. 우빈이 올라가서 제일 끝으로 가. 타자. 땡큐. 제일 뒤로 가자 우리. 뒤로 갑시다. 뒤로. 뒤로. 저쪽에. 여기 타. 여기 타. 너희도 여기 타. 봄이는 거기 앉아있어. 엄마도 이따 갈게. 아니야? 얘들아.
여기는 팩이다. 차에서 하자. 집에서 하자.
얘들아, 엄마 한번 봐봐. 뿅. 봄이 뿅뿅. 안녕.
We're going to head out to Cathedral Square first up, stop number 2. We'll then head around to retail shopping, banking, cafes, etc. Rainbow Terraces and Cashel Mall. The old government departmental buildings here on the left hand side. 1909 the foundation stone went down. 1913 they opened up. Mid-1990s it turned into the Heritage Hotel. The OGB bar and corner of the outside dining also available there as well. So the building coming up here on the left hand side, the cathedral, that's under reconstruction as you can tell. Plastic wrap, the large steel framework around certain areas, stabilised in 4 different areas at the moment while they work on it. Probably another 6 years to go, they say, till it's fully restored, and they are hoping to walk inside it this year, near the end of the year, some stage. In fact, you've got a pretty good view of it. Go up the top of Tour를, our public library over here on the right hand side. There's some very good outdoor viewing platforms up the top there. It was an anchor project here in our city, just under $100 million worth. A little bit more expensive than the next one. This is Tourlle, our convention centre. A couple of blocks of land that comes here right through to Armour Street. A couple of hotels yet to be built with it. Over 40,000 pavers surrounding the outside of that building. Just under $500 million worth of, they say. And John Robert Godley's the statue on the square over here to the left hand side. First statue in New Zealand to be unveiled. Made to capture the Russian cannons from the Crimean War. So here we go folks, we're just into train stop number 2 here. This is Cathedral Square. We're just going to go up here, we're going to turn left onto the promenade walkway as we head along to the terraces and Cashel Mall. Right by the Bridge of Remembrance and the Farmers Market. Scott's the statue over here on my right hand side now. He is facing north the way he was travelling when he perished down in Antarctica. It's covered by his widow Kathleen from Italian marble. Of course Christchurch is the gateway with the Italians, the South Koreans, the Kiwis and the Americans down to their Antarctic bases. So we're just going into train stop number 3 here. This is Mill Island. That's the wee island over here on my right hand side with the water wheel. From the 1850s through to the 1880s, a 3-storey wooden flour mill existed on that island, and the water wheel's probably about half the size of what the original one was. The island, the bars and restaurants down the left hand side, the terrace steps leading down to the Avon River on the right. We'll go past the Bridge of Remembrance now, walking bridge only these days. And a 5-minute walk past that takes you down to the Earthquake Wall Memorial for the Statue of Sergeant Henry Nicholas across the other side there, the first and only Cantabrian to receive the Victoria Cross during World War One. Alright folks, we're coming into train stop number 4 here. Farmers Market.
오빈아, 오빈, 재밌어?
And if you do need to catch a bus here, you will stay in Christchurch, just one block to my right hand side, and takes you down to out in the city bus.
봄이 엄마 한번 봐봐. 재밌어? 구경 많이 해.
There we go folks, train stop number 5, this is Ballantyne's. Stop number 6, and what you'll notice around this area here is very low-rise buildings. We have a height restriction on any new building, Central City Christchurch today, 28 metres, which is really only about 6 or 5 stories high. Now a lot of the new buildings around us actually go deeper underground with the foundations, upwards of 30 metres, piling and base isolators. They just keep driving these piles down to that sort of hit bedrock. As we go into train stop number 6 now, this is H&M. Right, we're going to turn into High Street, in the early days known as Sumner Road. This is where the trams used to go down on their way out to Sumner. Now Christchurch had the most extensive tram